Minister, and we have impressed upon him the need to set up a full-fledged health center at the old Ribandar Hospital. The Honorable Chief Minister was very considerate on this issue. He has said that he has been already also briefed by the MLA, and he has already told the MLA also that this will happen. Now, we have requested him to start with that healthcare center being set up at Ribandar be on the lines of the Sankeling Community Health Center, which provides all the basic facilities. And then step by step that hospital can emerge as a full-fledged hospital. We understand that government has financial constraints, but we have explained to the Chief Minister that where health is concerned, financial crunch cannot be an excuse. So the Chief Minister is really keen on setting it up, and he has promised us that 24/7 casualty unit will happen soon at the Ribandar Hospital. So he's also going to visit the place himself, and I'm sure that the Chief Minister is fully seized of this, and that he, in conjunction with the Health Minister and our local MLA, will all work together to see that this health center becomes a reality. We have explained to him that the Ribandar Health Center will not only be a service to the densely populated Ribandar, but it will also be a service to the residents of the 7 neighboring panchayats. In fact, all the 7 panchayats have taken a resolution and sent to the government seeking that a full-fledged healthcare center be set up at the old Ribandar Hospital. So let us hope and that this will soon become a dream, because I've explained to the Honorable Chief Minister that the old Ribandar Hospital was Asia's first medical school, which was set up in 1867. That hospital has a history, so has the building. The building is a heritage building, and this has to be maintained. So this has been all told to the Honorable Chief Minister, and I am very confident that the Chief Minister will do what is good for Ribandar and the adjoining villages.
One more thing is that Jana MLA assurance to me
No.
One more thing to add.
See,
you don't have trust on MLA.
No, it is not that. We had sought appointments with the MLA. We had also sought, in fact, the appointment with the Chief Minister was sought a month ago, and then Chief Minister was the Honorable Chief Minister was under quarantine. So we have also sought an appointment with the Health Minister, and so also with the Chief Secretary. Now, our main aim today was to request the Chief Minister that he should kindly make all the funds available, because the Honorable Chief Minister, as the Finance Minister, is responsible for releasing the funds. So we have requested him that there is no shortage of funds for the medical center.
Even today the Belgium MLA has set up an inspection along with the Health Minister.
Yes, in fact,
do you think so? It is a positive step.
It is a positive step. In fact, the Honorable MLA spoke to me yesterday afternoon, and he informed me that he had discussed the health care center issue with the Honorable Chief Minister, and the Honorable Chief Minister had agreed to it, and that he had also discussed the thing with the Health Minister, and that he would inspect the old Ribandar Hospital along with Health Department officials and GMC officials. So I think that inspection, according to the news just come in, says that it will happen today at 3:30.
So you also appreciate the stand taken by the MLA then?
Yes, of course. In fact, he clarified because we met the Honorable MLA on the 9th. On the 10th, there was some news in the section of the press that the center may not happen because of a financial crunch. But the Honorable MLA has clarified to me yesterday that he was misquoted by the section of the press, and that he stands in seeing that by hook or crook, the old Ribandar Hospital is restored with full medical facilities.
You will be visiting today?
Pardon?
You will be visiting
No,
today?
that visit is by the government. Let them visit. The Honorable Minister, Health Minister, the MLA and the officials are visiting. So let them see the place.
Since you all also, the MLA also want the same thing to happen, you all are also supporting the cause what MLA is doing.
Of course, of course. We only requested the Honorable Chief Minister that there should not be a financial crunch, and where health is concerned, especially where health is concerned, no government can ever cite financial crunch as an excuse. And I'm sure the Chief Minister will do everything possible to make funds available for this project, which will be beneficial to the entire Ribandar and 7 surrounding panchayats.
Okay, Rupesh Babu, तुम्ही तुमचे काउन्सिलर तुम्ही आयकना पाहिलं दोरी पूण MLA देखून तुमकां कितें एफर्ट्स केला ते एप्रिशिएट करता तुम्ही एज फार एज दॅट हेल्थ सेंटर इज कन्सर्न कित्याक तुमी त्याच कॉजाक तो त्याच कॉजाक डिफरन्सिएशन आसतना कितें करपाक जाय म्हणटा
डिफरन्सिएशन काय ना पूण डेफिनेटली तेणें मूव केला आतां पयलें एक्चुअली डे डिस्पेन्सरी आसा आमी डे डिस्पेन्सरीचो पयले एक्सपिरियन्स 2 फावटी घेतलेलो आसा आमचो डिमांड इतलो आसलो की डे डिस्पेन्सरी नाका इट इज फूल फ्लेज हॉस्पिटल आसली म्हणून सो तो तेणें मान्य केलो ही इज गोईंग फॉरवर्ड विथ दॅट वी आर हॅपी
See, what was originally proposed was a day dispensary, and when day dispensary, we immediately approached the authorities and said that we would strongly oppose a day dispensary because a day dispensary was already tried twice in